Hello and welcome to this video. I'm Marcus Hayes and today I'm going to be going down to Villa Scalabrini in Shenley in Hertfordshire for a car show called Classics at the Villa. Villa Scalabrini is a nursing home for the elderly and the car show aims to raise money for the care of its residents. It's a very Italian themed show, which means there's going to be loads of exotic Italian supercars on display, and I'm going to be going down there with my exotic Italian girlfriend called Caterina, which in English means cat. All makes and models of car are welcome at Classics at the Villa, so we're going to be driving down there in MAUDE, my very unexotic, un-Italian Mk2 Escort MOREDOOR. The show is actually quite close to where we live, so it shouldn't take us too long to get there, so it's time to hit the road and head down to Villa Scalabrini. Right, so we've made it to Villa Scalabrini. We're parked quite out of the way because we're late. Parked next to the Arbath Mafia. Bit of a weird name. Those Mafia obsessed Italians. Yeah, saw quite a lot of nice Fords on the way in, so go and have a closer look at them. Yeah, absolutely loads of cars here. And the weather's looking good as well. Over there's loads of stalls selling Italian themed stuff. No doubt there'll be an alcohol stall over there, which I'll be staying away from because I'm on the wagon at the moment. But one thing I will be sampling is one of the pizzas that are being prepared in a proper pizza oven. But right now we're going to have a wander around and see the cars. Right, so we're probably about halfway around the show now. I haven't been filming every car, to be honest. Obviously, been trying to look out for the old school Fords. Me and Kat are absolutely starving now, so we're going to go and get some grub. Old Bill, no drifting.
Mozzarella di bufala.
We actually only ordered one pizza between us, but we ended up with two. Maybe the geezer putting the pizzas in the oven watches the channel, I don't know. We've come back to pick up the other GoPro battery. I'm going to be cheeky and try and move MAUDE right next to that really nice Mark 1 Transit camper van. No, I'll speak to him, don't worry. Now that it's emptying, I want to stick it next to my mate's Transit van and get some photos, if that's all right. Cheers, mate. Giacomo's here,
Oh, mate.
making his second appearance on the channel. Jack's wife's here as well, but she's far too important to be on a small YouTuber's video like mine.
Glad you know it.
This is Kat's mum, Angelina, getting drunk. Marco,
Thank you.
welcome to my channel. It's Kat's dad. My favourite Italian chef. Giacomo's only my second favourite Italian chef. Right, we're now going to sample some Italian ice cream. It's so hot today, I'm so glad I changed my mind about wearing jeans and a jumper.
Yeah. Do you want a couple coats?
Come.
Yeah. Once.
So the Italians have roped me into eating even more food. Got prosciutto mozzarella in bread.
Ciabatta.
Ciabatta.
Shabbat.
Any good, Marco? Marks out of 10?
Fantastic.
Yeah? Buon appetito.
Rocky.
Got some shabbat as well.
Yeah, because they didn't left artichoke.
Yeah, the show is starting to empty now. I'm having a coffee and a cake. What's this called again?
Cannoli.
Cannoli. Caffè latte.
Espresso.
Espresso. Coffee and cake. So that concludes our day here at Villa Scalabrini for Classics at the Villa. It was a really good day. Massive thanks to all the organisers. I'll definitely be back next year and hopefully I'll be able to bring my Mark 1. But I did say that last year. If you thought this video was any good, please give it a thumbs up. If you thought it was shit, give it a thumbs down. Click subscribe and activate the notification bell to be kept right up to date with any other videos that I post in the future. Make sure you check out my Facebook and my Instagram, and I'll leave the links you need for that in the description of this video. From me and the rest of us here at Villa Scalabrini, until next time, thanks for watching.